Welcome to this Windows channel, and of course this is another updated video on the October 2018 update, answering a few questions that I'm still getting from what's happening with the build. So of course the first question that I'm getting, a lot of people see my videos and say, hey, where can I get the download to the link for the download of the October 2018 update? Well, don't search for it because right now it's still in on hold. They had that download available, but I just checked, and it's still the April 2018 update on the page. They've reverted back to April 2018 update for now. So it's still being tested internally, and maybe there'll be a little more tests because there's a few little things that pop up. Of course, there was the major bug was the deleted files that were explained in some way. Still, I don't know. There's Microsoft gave an explanation, but at the same time, you look at the explanation and you're like, yeah, but what gives? Why did this happen? Come on. They say 101%. Is that a realistic number? Is they seem to be open on it. They seem to be they actually did do a little like, oops, we did see that problem in a few months ago. But it wasn't. They didn't fix it really, so they're kind of open about it, and which is not a bad thing. I mean, if you have a problem like this, I think the best way, and the way that, even though a lot of users are not going to be still not going to be happy, being open and frank about it and saying, well, okay, we screwed up. This is what happened, and we're sorry about it. We're fixing it now, and it's going to be re-released. Maybe that would be the best way to say things. There's a few other problems, but honestly, in the scheme of things, when you look at what is happening, for the most part, the file deletion is the biggest problem. And in the blog posts, there are some problems showing up for some people here and there with some of the things, but one of I would say the second biggest problem is actually addressed by a simple thing. Some people were saying that after the update they had some problems because of the display driver, and one of the things that was mentioned is that if you have an Intel chipset, download the latest drivers because they fixed a host of problems. That it's not necessarily the October 2018 update that brings them, is the fact that the Intel driver needs to be updated to actually work well with the new version. There's a few little things here and there. Somebody was telling me today how the Office, their Office 2016 install has a glitch because of the of this update, which is interesting. I haven't done an install of Office. It was already there, so I don't see any problems because I haven't done an install within this update, but it's kind of giving me an idea. One of my machines I updated doesn't have Office 2016 yet, so I think I'm gonna update. I'm gonna actually install the Office 2016 suite on that older laptop and see if it glitches or has anything. Mine comes from because of I have a subscription to Office 365, so that is well, I will be checking that out for sure. But little diverse problems are reported here and there. It's too early to say is the October 2018 update bad like say the April 2018 update. Still a little early to say that. It did take several weeks before we really had a grasp of how things are, and I'm wondering if they're not maybe they're fixing more than just the file glitch here. For those that wondered, because I had a question from a few users, the cumulative update, for those that are already on the October 2018 update, did the cumulative update this week bring any changes or a fix to the file glitch? Yes. Within the cumulative update, for those that are already on the October 2018 update, apparently in there is the fix for the file deletion problem. So yes, you're probably okay. There's also an update in here that I think is going to help out in a certain way, and I think addresses that issue also. There was a service stack update. Microsoft doesn't say much about what exactly they're doing in there, but I did hear or see Mary Jo Foley post a little message saying that it has to do with kind of making Windows Update a little better. So possibly one of the things also in there is looking at how updates are going on and going to be handled. It might have something to do also with the fact that we're now getting Delta updates, meaning that the updates starting from the October 2018 update are now smaller in size because they only send files that are required rather than a big package. So anyways, all of that is happening. We're still waiting. They're still testing out. I think they're taking their time to test it thoroughly. And, I don't expect this to be released probably before next week. At the latest, at the earliest, sorry, because, they're probably testing it really well. I don't know if I'm an insider, in the insider team there at Microsoft. I think I would be a little embarrassed this week. There's something obviously going bad, and I don't know. There will be a lot of questioning about all of the fiasco happening right now. So no October 2018 update available right now still. So you guys that haven't updated yet, just wait. And honestly, don't rush it. I'm here to do that. I'm here to install the things and maybe break things before all of you. Look at the videos. I'll show you some of the stuff of the new update, but don't force it. Wait for it to arrive automatically in your Windows update. Don't push it even when they'll actually release it again. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.